Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. Magluto tayo ng masarap na ulam para sa ating breakfast. Meron tayong sinigang na fish. Meron pa tayong fresh lemon with mint para sa ating cold drinks. Hot drinks yung ating onion tea with turmeric powder. Hugasan natin ng maigi ang ating fish at yung iba pa nating mga ingredients. Magpapakulo lang tayo ng water. Mag-add tayo nating maraming sibuyas, kamatis, loya, and counting bawang, lemongrass, and meron pa tayong slice of carrots. Continue yung ating pagpapakulo hanggang maging aromatic ito. Mag-add tayo nating salt and pepper to taste. At yung ating sinigang mix. Pag malasa na, ay add natin ang ating malinis or nahugasan nating fish. At lulutuin lang natin ito guys. Para sa ating kulay ay meron tayong litos at yung green leafy vegetable na yan. Napakasarap ng ating sinigang na fish para sa ating breakfast. Antayin lang natin itong maluto guys. At mag-ready tayo ng ating lagayan para transfer natin ang ating masarap na ulam. Gagawa tayo ng ating cold drinks. So healthy, so yummy, so refreshing cold drinks. Hugasan natin ang ating fresh mint leaf at hugasan na rin natin. Nagad pa tayo ng ating celery. And meron pa itong loya. Konting loya nagad tayo. Slice of cucumber. Meron pa tayong slice of green apple. Lemon juice. Mineral water. I-blend natin ito guys at meron na tayong so healthy, so refreshing cold drinks. Gawa tayo ng ating masarap na hot drinks. Onion tea, slice of onion, konting loyak, konting bawang, 5 pirasong cloves, pamintang buo, ground pepper, at yung ating tea seeds. Magpapakulo lang tayo. And meron na tayong napakasarap na onion tea. At nag-add pa tayo ng ating turmeric powder. Kain tayo guys. At ready na ang ating food para sa ating breakfast. Para sa ating main dish, yung ating masarap na sinigang na fish with maraming fresh gulay. Meron pa tayong assorted fruits, grapes, meron pa tayong banana, orange, kiwi, and mango. And please guys, don't forget to follow, like, comment, share, and you can also subscribe too. Kain tayo guys. Mapaparami tayo ng kain nito. Let's enjoy the food and thank you so much for watching.